You're watching our special coverage at NewsX in India News of IFA 2024 और IFA Awards की स्टार परफॉर्मर अनन्या पांडे हमारे संग जुड़ चुकी हैं. Welcome, thank you for being with us.
Thank you so much.
How does it feel like to be at back at IFA, back in Abu Dhabi? This is where you performed 2 years back.
Yes.
It was your debut performance with your father in attendance.
Yes.
तो कैसा लग रहा है अब दोबारा लौट के?
I feel like I'm back home, the way people give us love at Yas Island and in Abu Dhabi. I think it keeps drawing us all back because they celebrate Indian cinema. And yeah, my first performance was so special. As you said, my dad was there, and this time my mum is there. So looking forward to all the cheering and the fun on stage.
Any sneak peek you can give us?
So I'm doing one of my own songs, but I'm also doing all the hits of last year. So a lot of your favorites and a lot of my favorites. So it's going to be a blast.
Okay, looking forward to that. अच्छा, ये पूछना होगा आपसे कि क्या आप अबू धाबी घूम पाई हैं? आप आई तो हैं, जैसे आप कह रहे हैं, लग रहा है घर वापस आई हैं, बट घूम पाती हैं नहीं? ऑल वर्क.
मैं आज शेख शाक गई और मैं कॉफी पीने गई और मैं मॉल गई शॉपिंग करने के लिए, पर मैं ऑलरेडी डे आफ्टर निकल रही हूँ. मेरी शूट है somewhere else, so I always wish I had more time, but I'm looking forward a little bit tomorrow in the day to explore Yas Island.
Okay. Green carpet mantra आपका क्या है? Looking very beautiful today, of course, in Indian.
Smile. That's all. Yeah,
Okay.
just smile.
और आखिरी सवाल, I have to of course ask you, as I said, Call Me Bay is trending all over, getting so much of love for it. Season 2 has been announced. Fans are very excited. What will you say about the success?
I'm just truly very grateful. I couldn't have asked for more, and it's more than all of us even expected. And especially from UAE, actually, I think it's like been number 1 or number 2 for a really long time. So coming here after that, it feels amazing. And yeah, looking forward to season 2.
So not just India, but UAE is Bay too.
Yeah, always Bay for life.
Thank you so much, Ananya.
Pleasure to see Arman at IFA, back here in Abu Dhabi. Sir, how is the feeling?
Very good, thank you.
IFA Utsavam, uniting North and South, East and West. What would you say about that?
Great initiative. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much.
कैसा स्वागत हुआ इस बार? आप यूएई अक्सर आती हैं, आईफा में भी आप पहले भी आ चुकी हैं, मगर इस बार 2024 में हाउ हैज बीन द वेलकम?
बेहद ही बहुत ही ज़्यादा खास वेलकम रहा. और इस बारी स्पेशल ये है कि आईफा उत्सव जो साउथ का होता है और बॉलीवुड अवार्ड्स इकट्ठे हो रहे हैं. मैं बहुत ज़्यादा शुक्रगुजार हूँ क्योंकि पिछले 11 महीनों के अंदर मुझे ये सौभाग्य प्राप्त हुआ कि आई वर्कड विद चिरंजीवी गारू, अभी बालकृष्ण गारू के संग मेरी फिल्म आने वाली है वेयर आई एम प्लेइंग द लीडिंग रोल. इट्स कॉल्ड NBK 109. पवन कल्याण गारू जी के संग काम किया ब्रो फिल्म में. साइधरम तेज, रामपोती ननी. सो बहुत ही अच्छा एक्सपीरियंस है सबके संग काम करने.
जी, मैं आपसे पूछना चाहूंगा, व्हाट इज योर ग्रीन कार्पेट मंत्र? यू लुकिंग वेरी ब्यूटीफुल, बट मंत्र क्या है?
Thank you. The green carpet mantra is just be yourself. And IFA Utsav में एक ऐसी रात है जहाँ we celebrate the brilliance of South Indian cinema. तो really can't wait to go inside.
और लग रहा है कि भाषा अब सीमा नहीं है. No language is no barrier. Indian cinema is uniting like never before.
Yes, हाँ जी, ये बात है.
Thank you so much, Urshi. It's a big moment, sir. You're being honored for outstanding achievement. How does that feel?
In what? This today?
Yes, sir.
The first time you are disclosing it, I don't have any clue.
No.
Thank you, first of all. Thank you, IFA.
Yes, but you've contributed so much to the industry.
Yes,
and what would you feel about the fact that today the North, the South, East, West, all industries are coming together on one platform?
That is a very good scenario. And all these days I've been wishing, I want to see this kind of union. There is no reason films are this film, that language, this language. All films, and wherever they make, in whichever language they make, they should consider as the Indian film. That way, we are fortunate. Good days have been coming.
That's a great message. Finally, sir, when you look back at your career, what do you feel?
I feel great about the audiences who love me.
Thank you. Thank you. आईफा 2024 का आगाज हो चुका है. हमारे संग जुड़ रहे हैं स्टार परफॉर्मर आईफा अवार्ड्स पर शाहिद कपूर. बहुत बहुत स्वागत है. कैसा अनुभव है अब तक अबू धाबी में?
बहुत अच्छा लगा. काफ़ी गर्मी है, तो जब भी आप कमरे में जाते हैं और कमरे से बाहर आते हैं तो ग्लासेस फॉग हो जाते हैं. अपार्ट फ्रॉम दैट इट्स बीन अमेजिंग, इट्स बीन वंडरफुल. वी जस्ट प्रीटी मच वार्म्ड अप एंड tomorrow is going to be a big night. Tonight is going to be a big night. I'm going to be performing tomorrow. Tonight I'm going to be sitting in the crowd and clapping for everybody. So excited to see all the live performances. This Utsavam night is a very, very exciting night, and I'm also looking forward to it.
And do you believe, as you were saying, you're going to be clapping tonight? It's great. We are applauding, different languages of Indian cinema because that's what unites Indian cinema.
I think we've been doing that for a few years now. It's just that it's come to a awards night finally.
Finally, Shahid, anything that we can expect from you? I know, of course, you were very happy to do Teri Baaton Mein Aisa Uljha Jiya because
Yes.
you had so many dance songs in that after a
Yeah,
while.
yeah.
तो वो दिखेगा और क्या दिखेगा?
Yeah, there's that and some more.
Okay. Finally, your green carpet mantra बहुत stylish आज लग रहे हैं आप. तो green carpet mantra आपका क्या है?
I'm wearing Gaurav Gupta, trying to break the trend of always being in black and wear something a little different. So hopefully it will be accepted and approved by all of you.
Yes, you're looking very, very sharp. Thank you.
Nominations. So thank you so much, and for all the love that the audience has showered to the entire team of 47. Thank you.
Final question. Language hasn't been a barrier ever for you. You've done work in different languages across the country, but happy that IFA is also uniting the film industry today in this manner.
Yeah, because I always believe we are the Indian cinema, and when we are talents, we're creative talents that work in the Indian cinema. Right from the beginning, when I was going to work in my first movie, I was privileged to work with Manigaru. I'm glad he chose me, and it was an easy yes. And I'm so glad I got the opportunity to begin with Viruval, and right at the outset tell the world that this is it, the Indian cinema, and there's no division whatsoever.
Thank you so much.
From 2024, very special guest joining us now, Samantha Ruth Prabhu. Samantha, how has the welcome been for you in Abu Dhabi? How does it feel to be at IFA?
Oh, it feels wonderful. I think it's been a while since I've been at an awards night, so it's special.
Yes, you're being awarded today as well for powerful roles that have defined your career so far. How does that feel?
Yeah, it feels like I've been around a while.
When you look back at your career, what goes through your mind?
Extreme highs, extreme challenges, but it definitely worth it.
Yeah, I was just asking Kriti, that it's great that you and her are on the green carpet at the same time. It shows that the whole Indian film industry is uniting. Is that great? North meets South, East meets West today.
Absolutely. It's wonderful. It's one of those rare occasions, right, where we all get to meet and appreciate each other. So I think it's wonderful.
Yeah, and as she was saying, that now you're working in Hindi too. So how is that feeling?
Yeah, about time.
Yes. Final
Yeah.
question to you. You're looking beautiful. I'd just like to show our viewers what's your green carpet mantra.
Fake the confidence until you get it.
Well, you're looking confident, and we wish you very well. And congrats again for your award.
Thank you.